as of 6 p.m. local time on September 10th. Typhoon Yagi has caused significant damage, with 181 people reported dead or missing, 172 dead, 54 missing. The storm has severely affected several regions. Laokai, 55 people dead or missing. Chaobang, 52 people. Yanbai, 40 people. Guangmin, 9 deaths. Fuzhou, 9 deaths, including 8 missing due to Fengchao Bridge collapse. Additionally, Typhoon number 3 has resulted in 764 injuries. Extensive damage to public infrastructure, 85 sunken ships, and the destruction of over 1,000 livestock and poultry. Immediate rescue and recovery efforts are essential to address the ongoing crisis and